Hello guys, in this video, I will teach you some tricks using Microsoft Word Office that will make your module easier to do, or it will come in hand that can be used in some cases like thesis documents or thesis documentation, or possible that you are in the field of teaching that you are checking some like checking the words. For example, you put an essay in your problem and you want to check if that essay reached the 500 word paragraph, just like that. So okay, let's begin. So I have here a Microsoft Word. As you can see, this is version or Microsoft 2019. I mean 2021, and it is more features than other Microsoft. Okay, so first problem is you are not good in spelling and you don't have any program like Grammarly to correct your spelling. No problem. We have a paragraph here and we have features here. So first thing to do is click the review. So you are not good in spelling. So first thing is highlight this, highlight the word or the paragraph you want to check, and then click the review, and then click the spelling in grammar. As you can see, it was crowded, but somehow I managed to get into the bus. So the suggestion is somehow. So when I click it, click the somehow suggestion, we're finished checking your selection. Want to check the rest of the, yes, spelling and grammar check completed. As you can see, the somehow here got a or adjusted and put some comma. Okay, so that solves our spelling and grammar. If you don't have Grammarly that will check your grammar and spelling, so this is the best thing to do. Second problem is for teachers. You need to know if your student or students is cheating in their paragraph project that you assigned. No problem. As you can see, you have 256 words here. But some cases, they trick us by doing this. There. See? It's 270 words. There, 276. And some of them are so intelligent that they make it 8s and change it to white. And then ignore. Ignore all. Ignore all like that. Just they do that in case that they don't want to ignore all. For example, it's like that. And we are okay, so just copy this and paste so that it will make more. Ignore 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 ignore. There. So as you can see, we have 286 instead of, how many is this? 256 of 286. So you can check here in the lower left side, 256 of 286. So where is the 286? So the second thing is click in review. Highlight this one. Word count. You can see here words 256 and the characters with no spaces is 1084. Character with spaces is 1339. Paragraphs 1. Pages 1. Words is 256. And lines is 19. So you can check everything statistics of your paragraph here. Okay, so I'll just remove that. Okay, so third problem is you have a problem with pronunciation. So how do we do that? So highlight first. Highlight the paragraph. And then click the view. After clicking the view, click the immersive reader. And then click the syllables. As you can see, some of the words have been separated or so that it will be easy to read. For example, Delhi is a crowded city. There are very few rich people who travel by their own vehicles. Just like that. Okay. So next is, are you lazy reading but want to listen instead? No problem. Highlight again. Once again, highlight the paragraph. Click the review. We have read aloud. In the review,
Delhi is a crowded city. There are very few.
As you can see, the reader is so slow. Click the settings here. We can adjust the speed and change the speaker. Okay, so let's try again. Highlight and then play.
Delhi is a crowded city. There are very few rich people who travel by their own vehicles. The majority of the people cannot afford to hire a taxi or a three-wheeler.
There. But if you have struggle reading simple word, or not simple but a hard word, instead of clicking review, you go to view and then immersive reader, and here they have a syllables that can help you, and also the read aloud.
Delhi is a crowded city. There are very few rich
there, so you can follow how they read the word by word. Okay,
people who travel by their own vehicles. The majority of the people cannot afford to hire a taxi or a three-wheeler. They have to depend on DTC buses, which are the cheapest mode of conveyance.
If you think that is so fast, you can...
DTC buses are like...
There. So, it's kinda boring if you slow it down. So, make sure you find your settings. And Zira is kinda
blood capillaries of our bodies
boring
spreading all
to
over.
listen if she's speaking slowly, so it's kinda...
In Delhi, one day I had to go to railway station to receive my uncle.
There. It's
I had to
normal.
reach there by 9:30 a.m.
There. So, that is good for us that this is... we have a read aloud or a text-to-speech in our Microsoft Office. This will help you in your module. Also, if you are too lazy to read your modules, just highlight all your module except for the image. And some don't expect too much to the text out loud, because some numbers they say like 9 9.3, 9.30, just like that. And some reader or some reader in Microsoft Office, like mathematical problem, they don't read that exactly what we want to read. Okay? So thank you guys for listening. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.